In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy one item IKEA 2025 step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to ikea.com. From the home page, choose the country or store you want to shop from. This is important because stock, prices, and delivery options vary by location. If you're shopping in the Philippines, you can click Go Shopping at ikea.ph or use the store selector to switch to a different market that suits you. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page to find what you need. Type the name of the item or a simple phrase. For example, you could enter tables and chairs. Keep your keywords clear and specific to get the best results. When you're ready, click the search icon to see what's available. You'll land on a results page showing all the products that match your query. Take a moment to browse and compare. Pay attention to the product names, prices, and especially availability. Look for an in-stock label for your chosen store or delivery area. Availability can change quickly, so it's a good idea to confirm it before proceeding. When you find something you like, click on the item to open the product page. Here you can see detailed photos, size and material information, color options, and any assembly notes. This is also where you'll find reviews. Check the reviews to learn how the item performs in everyday use, and scan for consistent feedback about quality, assembly, and durability. If everything looks good, click Add to Cart. You'll see a confirmation that the item was added. From there, choose Go to Shopping Cart to view your cart. Review your selection, make sure the quantity is correct if you only need one, and check any estimated fees. When you're all set, click Go to Checkout. You'll be asked how you'd like to receive your order. Choose between Click and Collect, where you pick up your item at a designated location or delivery to your address. Select the service option that fits your schedule, review any service details, and acknowledge the terms and conditions so there are no surprises later. Click Continue to Payment. On the payment page, you'll be asked how you'd like to pay. Select your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to finalize your purchase. That's it. Once you're done, your order is on the way or ready for pickup according to the option you selected.